Hello, it's me. Okay, so we have Asia High right here. We haven't quite taken it out yet, so I'm gonna see if we can go long around this level right here. This is a daily for value, a 4-hour for value gap right here. And then this is a 1 hour for value, a 4-hour for value gap. So yeah. But yeah, I want to see a reaction off of this, as well as this breaker block right here. So yeah. And then I'm gonna wait for a market structure shift on the 1 minute. For NQ, so we just tapped into inverted fair value gap right here. So you see, as we can close below it, and then we came back up to it. On the 5 minute, this is a fair value gap right here that it's respecting. So I might take some NASDAQ sells as well. Some NQ sells. Yeah, that's pretty much it. For GU, yeah, so for GU, I'm still bullish to this gap right there, and I think it's gonna take out this high, or these relatively equal highs. Yeah, because all of that's liquidity. So I'm gonna go over here. So this would be kind of the zone I'd be looking for to buy. And yeah, technically it could set a buy limit like right here. Have like a 10 pip stop loss, a 1 to 2. It looks kind of good. What's the DXY doing? So it hasn't grabbed London or Asia lows yet. Okay, so I think the daily is gonna flip. Drawing liquidity for the daily chart, I'm not sure, honestly. It's like it's reacting off of this order block right here. So, there's quite a bit of possibilities here. But I would say that this is a drawing liquidity right here. There's a market structure shift, Okay. So, yeah. Okay, so we're in a discount. So I'm gonna be waiting for a market structure shift. And NQ is holding pretty nice for the sells. That's gonna be my target. Yeah, so I like Nas better. So I'm gonna take NASDAQ. I'm gonna take this one right here. Some NQ cells. I would take the inverted for value gap, but I'm not sure how. So this is a 5-minute inverted. I haven't really used inverted for value gaps, but I'm starting to get them. So, or I'm starting to understand them. I just need this shit to pull back, you know. So I'm gonna set an alert like right over here. Or, you know what? I'm just gonna do that. Okay, so EU, Jesus, bro, this thing is huge. Okay, so EU is still reacting to that. I don't know, maybe it's going bearish, you know. You know, there's a couple of possibilities here. Yeah, so DXY is just shooting up, but it's just that it left these relatively equal lows, right? So that's like the only thing that's that's interfering right now. Dude, okay, Naz, I see what you did. You're just not gonna give me a good pullback, huh? I mean, this is a breaker right here, but damn, bro. Man, I hate when trades run like this without me. What's up, Dominho? Did you get a funded account? No. No, I'm not doing funded accounts in August. I'm just practice, man. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck's going on with EU. Take the 5-minute. So people would say this supply zone or this demand zone looks good. It kind of does for some buys because it hasn't taken out Asia high or Asia high, and it bounced off this 4-hour for value gap. So I'm gonna be looking for some buys. I don't trade order blocks, so that's why I didn't get in like right there. But I think that'd be a valid entry, you know? Yeah, but like it's kind of like a supply and demand entry. I don't take that. Dude, this reaction off of EU, man, that shit looks really good. I think I'm gonna take Nas. Bro, I just fucking hate when it reacts like that, you know? It just looks like it's not gonna continue bearish, you know? But, yeah, my bias is bearish because this daily turned into an inverted for value gap.
Are you doing it properly?
When? Yeah. So I'm not gonna lie, but I'm kind of regretting not getting in on the order block for EU. Because I think it's gonna. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna get in on EU. Damn, like, who knows though, you know? Okay. This, oh my god. How the fuck do you stop that, bro? Swear to god, I hate that noise, bro. Okay. Well, it didn't give me an entry. Okay, so I'm not a Nasdaq, because I'm gonna take some EU buys. So I'm just gonna be patiently waiting. Shazaman Qureshi, have a look at gold. I don't trade gold. But I am having a look at euro dollar. I'm kind of tempted to get in on NAS, but nah. I don't trust it, especially because I'm going long on the dollar. Or short on the dollar, I mean. I'm going long on euro dollar. Damn, bro, I just needed to come back to here. Is that too much to ask for? Okay, GU hasn't even retraced all the way. Actually, I mean, has it? I'm not sure. So it's bouncing off of this. That's crazy. Yeah, so EU's playing out. I think I'm just gonna get in right here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get in right here. Fuck, bro, I missed the entry, bro. I swear to God, bro. I missed the goddamn. Okay, I'm out. Yeah, I'm not gonna chase that. I mean, if it comes back to this for value gap, I'm down, but missed the fucking entry. I'm not gonna go long on Nas. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna do that. Missed the fucking entry. Fook. Bro, this happens too often. I need to get concentrated. Okay. I need to stop fucking around. It's not even I'm fucking around, it's just timing, bro. I'm like, where the fuck? Okay. Okay, so it seems like the short on Nas is kind of working out. I have way too many fucking squares on my chart right now. So I'm deleting that. I'm deleting this. What is this? Fuck is this? Oh, it's a 4-hour gap. I actually am gonna leave that on. I'm gonna leave that on. Damn, man. I hope it could retrace at least in a year, bro. Like, fuck. Anyways, today might be a no trade day just because, well, it's only 7:15, but I'm just saying that because I missed the entry that I wanted for longs on euro dollar. Like, my whole idea was these relative equal highs right here. So yeah, it's kind of tough. I'm not even gonna lie, it's kind of tough. Yeah. Fook, man. This entry was goated, bro. This is a really good entry. Fook, man. And the take profit was only like 10 pips. Damn. That's crazy. I need to get better at my entries, bro. Or at least at executing. Damn, bro. Fuck. Anyways, that doesn't really matter. On the other hand, GU is not. What the hell is this? It's no structure at all. So I could wait for like a pullback. Well, that's what I have to do, really. Like, I have no other fucking choice. But to see if this even pulls back. You know, this thing likes to rip. You know? So it's a Canadian holiday. I don't know why I just said that, but it's a Canadian holiday, you know? Okay, so it blasted through that fair value gap. See, I would take a buy like right here if it pulls back to there, but I'm gonna wait for a deeper discount if it offers. If it doesn't offer, it is what it is, man. Yeah, so a deep discount I'd be waiting for would be this, because this is a 5-minute fair value gap. So I'm gonna put my stop loss like right there, and my target's gonna be up here. Well, that's it. It wants to fucking pull back, eh? These motherfuckers, man. Made it impossible for dudes. You said, what about GU? I mean, GU is doing its thing, but there's no fucking structure on GU. Like, it's just going up. I mean, if you wanted to be technical about it, this was your entry right here, but literally no market structure shift or anything, so. And I'm not getting in right here. I'm not doing that shit. Yeah, it's just gonna keep going up. Like, it's just one of those trades, man. I missed it. I don't think it's gonna pull back. I don't think it's gonna pull back to this area. I don't think so. I mean, maybe somewhere up here. Like maximum this, but it's not gonna come back here. But you know what's funny as hell? Supply and demand traders are eating right now. I know somebody's eating right now. But it's cool. I'll wait for the next setup. Another entry will show up. I don't think so, bro. I'll be honest, I don't think so. Hey, I'm looking for entry. What's up, Saeed? Me too. But, you know. Okay, maybe once this candle closes and it makes a fair value gap, maybe I'll try getting in on that. But yeah, this entry is kind of missed, so I don't even think it's gonna go back there. And like this would be the next entry right here, technically. Like I'd put my stop like right over here, below this low. And then, but I don't know. It just feels forced. Just because I know that there's a fair value gap on the 5-minute right here, you know? This is also a premium. It's not a discount. I'd be buying in premium. I don't really want to do that. What's NQ doing? Okay, so NQ's not doing anything. This is why I stopped trading indices, bro. Or not indices, futures. But YM? YM? What the fuck? What the fuck? This was a beautiful entry right here. See, this is like the classic 2022. This is beautiful right here. Obviously, if you had a long bias, but yeah, I didn't know what the fuck was going on with YM, but that's beautiful right there. Okay, so GU is finally doing some sort of market structure. What the fuck? You said you don't really need an MSS Bs. You said you don't really need an MSS for entries. You just need to see what the candles are doing when it reacts to certain fair value gaps, highs and lows, confluence with other PD arrays like breakers, OBs. I mean, that might be true for you, but for my trading strategy, I always wait for a market structure shift. I mean, okay, I'm gonna be honest. Like some of my last live streams, I did not wait for a market structure shift. Okay, I didn't, but like that's part of my rules now. Like if there's no MSS, like I'm not getting in. Period. It's just like more confluence to me, you know. And about order blocks and mitigation blocks, I don't use them. Like I could have gone in at this order block right here, but it just goes against what I'm learning right now, which is the 2022 mentorship. Like I saw it. I could have gone in. Like this is a badass entry if you ask me. Like this is amazing, bro. This is fucking top tier right here. But I'm just not trading that. And it hit a beautiful 103. Yeah, that's tough. I just don't use them, and I don't use mitigation blocks either. Because I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what the fuck they are. I never studied that, so. And that's a part of ICT. Like, once you find something that you like and that you think is gonna work for you, like, why are you gonna go and put more tools in your toolbox than you can handle? You know, like okay, so I think that once I get really good at the 2022 mentorship and the fair value gap entry, then I can go on and study order blocks if I want to. Then I can go on and study mitigation blocks or breakers, you know. That's just like a personal rule of thumb for me with ICT, you know. There's just so many people that just trade everything that ICT does just because they want to feel smart. Like, the fuck? I'm not here to feel smart, you know, or I'm not here to look smart in front of people, you know. But yeah, I see his order block on GU. There's a market structure shift right here. Came back to the order block. There's some fair value gaps right here. I want to see how it reacts. Oh, there's a tiny fair value gap right here. I didn't even notice it. I don't really trust GU though. I'm not gonna lie. Cheers. I don't really trust GU because it's not in a discount zone yet. Like, I know that GU and EU correlate, but okay, listen, if EU comes back to here, I'm definitely interested. Okay, because this is I don't know if you call this a dealing range. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know if you call this a dealing range, but this range right here, this would be a discount zone, and this is a nice fair value gap. Although the move pretty much already happened, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, this is a move I wanted to catch. The bigger move, it might still happen, but I just don't like to be a part of those. I'd rather be a part of the moves that create the bigger move, you know? Okay, so this 5 minute turned into a inverted fair value gap. Wow, so ES is grabbing highs, I guess. What the fuck is going on with ES? Let me see. So this is also an inverted fair value gap. Actually, no, it's not. It's not inverted at all. I'm tripping. But you know what? We're likely to see a retracement. Oh, we already got the retracement. Never mind. But if we're gonna continue going up, I see it going up to like over here, to like OTE over here. Off of this fair value gap. Yeah, I'm gonna just wait and see what EU does. Payphone trying to come home. So it looks like it's reacting, but okay, if GU GU gives us some nice displacement right here, I might get into a buy. Oh shit, I think it touched the fair value gap. Wait, am I tripping? What's this low? 589. What's this low? 589. Well, it didn't touch the fair value gap, so I think it's gonna do that. Oops. Oops. Listen, EU. Here's the thing about EU. Like, once it starts hitting 1030, Forex doesn't really move that much. Honestly, I'm just talking about my ass. I don't really know. But, okay, maybe I'm just making excuses to not get in this trade. But I don't believe in it. Not really. At least not if it comes all the way down here. But who knows? Who fucking knows? So it's at the consequent encroachment of this fair value gap. So, this might actually... Okay, if this starts breaking market structure like that, yeah, I'm gonna get in. Honestly, don't give a fuck if it's in a premium or not. And if it starts going up, it's going up, okay? Okay. Yeah, Nas ain't doing shit today. Okay, so I think I'm gonna get in on GU. Okay, I don't like those wicks though. GU, you're gonna have to show me something nice. So like technically it did hit the discount. But I don't really know how to feel. I don't really know how to feel. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm gonna take a buy on GU. I think I will. Bro. Mind you, I started at 80% battery with this laptop. It is currently at 58. Literally, what the fuck? Okay, so I think, yeah, price is pulling back to this discount. So I'm definitely waiting for that. I'm not sure if I want to get in, like, right at the fair value gap and have a, like, 8 pip stop loss. I think 8 pips is reasonable, don't you think? And then like a nice pierce above this high, around 6 pips. What other confluences do we have? Okay, so we have these highs right here as well. Okay, I might get in at the... Yeah, I think I'm gonna get in just by the fair value gap. So no, I'm not gonna wait for confirmation. You know what? I'm gonna have my stop right below these fair value gaps right here. God damn it. Alright, cool. Yeah, so if it touches this right here, I'm gonna get in. For a minimum of a 1 or 2, I'm gonna take like half off at 1 or 2, and then I'm gonna let the rest run to 1 or 3. So yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for it to touch into the discount zone. Well, it's already at discount. It already tapped into it, but this fair value gap. You said look at US 500. You mean ES? What about her? Is it the same chart? Bro, it has to be the same chart. It is the same chart. What about it? I don't really see nothing going on with it. I'm not even gonna lie. What's going on with US 500, bro? I mean, obviously, if this gives a good market structure shift, and then a good fair value gap entry, I'm gonna get in. But I'm really waiting on this fair value gap right here. Like, this is the one I'm really waiting on. Man, it was almost there. Like, you was almost there, cut. Like, you were like 2 pips away, 1 pip away. Bro, not even. It was literally like half a pip away. I'll be patient, okay? I'll be patient. I'll be patient. I'm at a payphone trying to call home on my change speed. So I'm gonna have like an 8 pip stop loss. It's not that bad. I mean, for EU, it's not that bad. What I am concerned about is my take profit. But you know what? If my narrative is correct, you know, we're gonna be Gucci. If my narrative is correct, we're gonna be good. What's your analysis? Hold on, cause if I go on rambling and then this thing hits, I'm gonna be mad if I miss. Okay, it's taking its sweet ass time. So, basically on the 4-hour, we have this market structure shift. Obviously, this right here, we're bouncing off of a daily fair value gap as well. We respected this 4-hour fair value gap, and now on the 1-hour, we tapped into this BISI right here. On the 5-minute, I drew my fib. Actually, it was on the 15-minute. My fault. I drew my fib like from here to here. Wait, I'm tripping. Where did I draw my fib? Yeah, I drew my fib right here. And it respected this fair value gap right here, and this one right here, and this order block. So now in this current dealing range we're at, it's respecting the 50% level, but I was waiting for this gap to get tapped into. So yeah, but you know, if it starts market structure shifting and starts, you know, showing aggressive movement, I'm gonna get in. So yeah. What's NQ doing? Nothing. You know, I was really having some faith in GU, but it doesn't really look like it's doing anything. But if GU starts to run, then EU is likely to as well. You said what's your name? Owl Loan. Interesting. Okay, so market structure shifted right here. Okay. I'm not gonna wait for that. Okay, I'm gonna get prepared real quick. Stop loss right there. Okay, I'm gonna wait for this next candle to create the fair value gap, and then I'm gonna get in on that fair value gap. So it's gonna be around like that. Honestly, I think this is gonna be a decent trade. Like, don't quote me, but I think it's gonna be decent. Yeah, so I draw liquidities up here. So yeah. So I'm gonna have like a 4.5 pip stop. You know, that's if price even wants to tap into that fair value gap. So also, I'm gonna stop doing this ask for confirmation thing. Bro, I swear to God. You should better give me my entry. I feel like I'd be too disciplined sometimes, and then I just end up missing the trade. This isn't, like, this right here is not the case, but yeah. Anyways, I need this thing to pull back, get me in, and then skyrocket. No, like, not there, fucking over here, motherfucker. So I'm gonna have around the 5 pip stop loss. That's like almost 10 lots. So I was watching an ICT Twitter space, his second to last one that he just recorded about advice to a son who trades. He was talking a lot about risk management and how you should pass these funded accounts. Fuck, I don't know if I should get it up here. I mean, I could. Stop loss right here. Jesus, mother of good. I'm mad. I'm not even gonna lie. Okay, so GU given a similar situation right here. So let's see if we can capitalize off of this. That seems reasonable. Yeah, that seems pretty reasonable, don't it? I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my dreams just being on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. We're at a plans we made both two. Oh no. Come on, man. Give me that. Give me that. It's patiently waiting. It's patiently waiting. Oh, I think I'm gonna get it on EU instead of GU, because I just like it more. Whichever taps first, honestly, they're both the same setup. Okay, yeah, nice, motherfucker. So I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete this. Yeah, it's not pulling back. NQ, what's NQ doing, man? I had high hopes for NQ for today, but then again, it is Monday. It is Monday. Okay, maybe if I wait for this 5 minutes to close, and then we get in right there. Yas, that seems pretty reasonable. Still, my drawn liquidity is up here. Yas. Yes, very nice. Mr. Spot on FX, he said, bro, be patient. Bro, what the fuck you think I'm doing? Like, for real. 5 minute, same thing. Same shit going on with EU. Someone correct me if I'm wrong, but would this be considered a breaker? This big ass fucking... Would that be considered a breaker? I honestly have no idea. Okay, instead of toggling between those two, I'm gonna just do this. Jesus, my hands are tired. Whichever comes first. Yeah, I wanted this entry really bad, man. Price never gave it to me. Is this a breaker, or it has to be one of these candles? So it's getting close to 750 right now, or 850, or fuck, what is it? No, it's 750. I'm having a brain fart. It's 750 or 1050 EST. So the price doesn't give me a entry in 10 minutes. It is what it is. You said I'm on the 3-minute fair value gap. Word. Fuck. Where? Where? I don't know what you're talking about. Could. Did you just start with the 2022 mentorship, or did you go through his other courses first? I started my first ever video about ICT. I'm not gonna lie, I forgot. But yeah, I forgot. But no, I started watching his 2022 mentorship first. Cause I've known about ICT since like 2020. But I just did what everybody else did and thought he was a cult leader and thought he was arrogant as fuck and I just thought for no reason. I didn't even know the guy, okay? But then I started to do my own due diligence in May and put him aside, bro. Like, I know everybody says, oh, ICT's a piece of shit. Oh, he's this, he's that. Oh, he's I don't know, whatever. He's bipolar. Like, okay, bro, we all have our problems, But I put all that shit aside and I just listened to what the fuck he had to say. And yeah. Shit, okay, so I think we're in a macro right now. Yeah, we're at the 1050 macro. So I hope we get filled right here. Or not hope, but I know we're gonna get filled right here. So I'm gonna go in long for EU. Right over here. Okay, if EU doesn't want to give it to me, then I'm gonna take it from GU. This is frustrating. I hate when I miss entries. Fukinel, mate. He said 1.276 on GU. Where is that? I was looking at it because I saw this little BISI right here, but I wasn't confident in it because it was just consolidating. And then I waited for my structure shift, and that's what I've been waiting on this whole fucking time. So, yeah. I don't think we're gonna get the fill I wanted, but yeah, it's reacting off of this shit. I keep saying this. Correct me if I'm wrong, but is this a breaker? I'm gonna put a question mark. Is that a breaker? You said there's a 15-minute BISI for rally gap, 1 minute and a breaker. Candles expecting all those PD arrays. Where's the 15-minute? Okay, where's the breaker? Oh, you're talking about this. Okay, I'm gonna get my fill on EU. I'm gonna get my fill ready for EU. Right over here. Okay. La 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 la. Okay, so I'm in on EU. Bro, I swear to God, if we waited all this time to get stopped like this, it's not gonna be a good day. But yeah. Should I widen my stop a little bit to like right here? Bro, no way I'm about to get stopped in like a minute and a half again. That would just be unholy, bro. Yeah, that would definitely be unholy. Okay, so GU is reacting pretty nicely. Dang. I like GU better right now. But we'll see. We'll see how it plays out. Obviously, I like GU better because it's in profit, but EU was the main confluence, so I'll wait for what EU does. Man, I fucking hate when it has those like drops like that. But then again, this is a macro, so we should see some momentum. I'm right here. So yeah, this is the entry I have. So yeah. Bro, EU is not, it's not really doing cash money right now. I'm not even gonna lie. Like the way it deeply pulled down into there, and then it's just kind of respecting this 1 minute civvy right now. Bro, don't tell me this is an inverted. No, go back. This is why I don't trust setups this late. It's already 7:57. I mean, technically I could still take a trade right now, but yeah. So for GU, hold on, you said you respecting that 1 minute so far? Yep. I wanted to take GU, but EU just looked cleaner to me. I don't know why. But yeah, I'm aiming for around 15 pips for EU, Asia high, and these relatively equal highs right here, and a little bit more. So, I might be asking for a little too much, now that it is almost 11 o'clock. But I want to see what it do. So yeah, now that it's repriced a bunch, like you see how it came down here, and then came down here. I'm expecting a pretty big push up, like a lot of momentum, or the algorithm. So pretty much where I break even on EU and GU if I was to be in GU. What's the dollar doing? Grabbed it slow. Came back up. Oh yeah, dollar hasn't taken out this low either. So yeah. I needed to rip through this 1 minute civvy right here. Like once I learned this in an ICT video yesterday. Once price rips through this, I'm expecting a lot of momentum. So yeah. So it is 8 a.m. So I might just leave this trade running and then go because I'm tired. You said my boy too stressed. Do I look stressed? I mean, trading is stressful, bro. You gotta admit. I'm not stressed though. I'm just tired. I do be like a lot, you know. But that's just me. I've just waited so long for this fucking trade, and then like when I saw this big ass black candle, I was like, fuck. I was like, fuck. Like we're really about to get stopped out like that, you know. But yeah, I believe in this trade. I'm just a little worried about my stop because price could definitely come and fill this in. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Why are you reacting off of this? Don't do that to me. Goddamn, bro. Dude, no way. Nah, it's just aggressive repricing. That's all. That's all. Don't worry about it. What's NQ doing? Still on some bullshit. Don't do that to me. I've been so patient with you. I've been so patient with you, bro. Like, why are you doing that? Okay, so this is our last line of defense. Yeah, if it breaks below this candle, I'm out to trade. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Okay, so this isn't looking nice. It's not looking nice at all. Bro, no way. No way EU just did this to me, bro. You said LOL, SL is not right. First learn. Okay. Shivam Singh. I know stop should be like below here or some shit. But I really don't care. I have my stops there. From my experience, once it breaks below the candle I created, the fair value gap, it's more than likely not to play out. From my experience. Hello, darkness, my old friend. You said SL is gonna hit my friend. Why are you playing on my downfall, bro? Like, Said, brother, don't blow your account. Bro, okay, I'm gonna stop listening to you. Like, what? Bro, what? No one's blowing their account, my G. But yeah, this trade doesn't look like it's gonna play out. I've been so patient with EU. Like, I was so patient with it, and then it does this to me. It's kind of tough. Bro, maybe, what if, it'd be funny if this was the bottom, and then it absolutely fucking had a nice run up. That would be so crazy, right, EU? Right? 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 Nah, but, yeah. This trade's done for. She's done for. Bro, we're like 0.3 pips away from stops. Hello, darkness, my old friend. ICT has a new video up. Yeah, I saw it. Well, I didn't watch it, but it's the journaling video, right? Honestly, like, I used to journal. I used to have like a Notion. Well, I still have it, but I have a Notion journal. But it just, bro, I got so busy, and I just stopped journaling. So somehow I'm still in the trade. It's like right there. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. But yeah, I used to have a journal, and it just took so much of my time. But I should start journaling again, for real. Like, I used to have an entry. I used to have my confluences. I used to have comments, like sections and all that shit. That's when I was first starting out learning ICT, which was like in May. And then I stopped doing it. I should probably start again. Yeah, we're about to hit stops right here. Boom. Okay, so I'm not at the trade yet on MT4. But we should be in like a second. There you go. Okay. Yeah, we're out. Hello, Eob Tadis. Hello, man. What's up, my G? But yeah, bro, I had good faith in this trade. But I guess we just got in too late, man. Like I said, the trade I was looking for was fucking down here, and then here again, but it never tapped the 5 minute. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at right now. So I guess if there's a lesson to be learned right now, it's I'm gonna stop waiting for trades for this long, especially for Forex. Like, honestly, if this was like a NASDAQ trade, it probably would have played out. So this 1050 macro for NAS right here, it played out for some sells. So that's pretty nice. But, maybe use going down to this for value gap right here. It's already 11 o'clock, so I'm not trading anymore, but yeah. Try to analyze again. It's okay, it happens. Bro, why do you... You're funny, bro. It hits your stop loss, not your feeling. ICTians never give up. Bro, y'all are so funny. Like, I can see why, like, people who don't trade ICT or don't know anything about them, like, I can see why they think we're a cult. Like, chill out, bro. I'm not an ICTian, okay? What the fuck? You said, why don't you start swing trading? Yes, brother, never give up. Bro, you're funny, Shivam. You're funny. Why don't you start swing trading? Because it's not my style. Period. I don't have a reason. It's just not my style. But yeah, this trade still might play out. I mean, like in my opinion, it's going to play out. It's just like look at these relative equal highs. I think it's going to play out. It's just I mean, like even if I put the stop loss that I wanted, I would have still gotten stopped. So, it's fine. So yeah. Maybe the first sign that this wasn't gonna work out was this right here rejecting so hard. But yeah, that's about it. Other than that, I mean, there's obvious liquidity right here that it created, internal liquidity. So that's a factor as well. Yeah. I mean, there was an entry as well right here, but your boy didn't take it. Just missed opportunities, but that's okay. See, I just didn't take it because, like, I didn't want to get caught in a fair value gap tap right here as well, But at the same time, also, I just wasn't prepared to get in the trade, So yeah, that's the only trade I took today. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if price starts rallying right now. It looks like it's gonna do that. So today, I became part of liquidity. It's kind of tough. The thing about this is if I would have gone on GU, I still wouldn't have gotten stopped. So it says a lot about EU, man. I still think it's valid. I just can't enter anymore because it's past 11. But yeah, those are the two trades for today. They're not two trades, one trade. Varud, what's up, bro? You said SMT trader be like, your stop loss is my entry. Bro, for real. Bro, some random ass ICT trader all the way on the other side of the world is probably eating right now. They're probably eating right now. Like, this is kind of like a turtle soup right here. I don't know if it's a turtle soup, but it just grabbed liquidity right here. I mean, either way, I would not have gotten in because it hasn't even tapped the fucking zone, bro. So for being too patient today, I missed. Well, I didn't miss, but I got stop loss. So, hey, man, it's a continuous learning process. You said, since when have you started trading? I feel like at this point, I just have to make a answer to all these questions in the fucking description, bro. How many times have been asked that already? I started in 2020, December of 2020, but I barely figured out ICT in January, or not January, May of 2023. So literally like 3 months ago. Are you a funded trader? No, sir. Eob Tadis. No, sir. That's the goal. Well, that's not the goal, but the goal is to become consistently profitable. The goal is to make money, not to be funded. Okay. Being funded is just a byproduct of being consistently profitable. So yeah, you could say that. Bro, I hate choppy days like these. I think I'm gonna start what's it called? Only trading like certain days. Like, I might still be on the charts, but I think I'm gonna just start trading certain days because like I've realized Mondays is one of those days that I really lose a lot. Not like monetary wise, but I lose like usually on Mondays. It's also like Mondays are prone to consolidation because it's the opening of the weekly candle. This is also the second week of August right now. So this weekly candle is like a retracement right now. So yeah, I'm expecting this low to get taken out this week. Or actually, what am I expecting? I'm expecting price to drop here in the next few days, and then a nice drop to this low. Basically same thing for EU. But right now this fair value gap is holding. So yeah. Nah, that's crazy. EU just did me so dirty. But it is what it is. I'm hopping off. You said you only trade Forex? No sir. I trade futures as well. But today futures was on some bullshit. Yeah, I low-key wanted to go short right here. But stop loss up here. I mean, I would have gotten stopped anyways. But yeah, it looks like this was the trade for today. But this is what I'm talking about. Like, you don't really see it until hindsight because, right? Like, okay, let's go to replay mode. Like right at that candle, this is still consolidation. Like, you don't. It's just going up and down. So you don't really classify this as a market. I mean, it is a market structure shift, but you don't really. At least for me, I don't really pay attention to it. And then yeah, looks like this was just a internal liquidity grab. So yeah, that's about it. I'll make a recap real quick and then I'm gonna go about my day. I guess the lesson learned for today was I'm gonna stop waiting so much. Cause like usually I'm either impatient. I'm usually impatient, but then today I was too patient and I got my ass whooped for trying to be too patient. So it is what it is. Yeah. Hope you enjoy the stream. Hope you learned something out of it. And if not,